on you. 이러고 solo. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you guys are all doing well. I have another 4C Edges wig today. We're gonna be styling this wig. We're really trying to give, this is her hair. If you wanna see how I achieved that, continue watching.
Baby, don't you know there's a remedy.
Today's hair sponsor is MsLynn Hair. What I have installed today is a 24-inch 4C Kinky Edges. This is also a kinky hair texture. It is on a 13x4 transparent lace. And when I say 13x4, baby, she is full 13x4. So she is 13x4 all the way around from ear to ear.
Cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that.
I just removed a bit of lace from the corner of the ear tab. I'm gonna try it on, see how it looks. We're gonna see if we need to tint it.
Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah. Hot for you, baby love. 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 Yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah.
I'm just applying a bit more spray. I sprayed some on my desk and then I'm just picking it up with the tail of the comb and just placing it where I want it, because I do want this install to be very clean. I want it to really look like those are my kinky 4C edges, okay? To install a wig, if you are a beginner, if you're installing a frontal wig, you just really want to take small sections. It's not going to look perfect in the beginning immediately, but that's where you go in. So I find it easiest to start in the front here in the center and then work your way out. And I also find it easier to remove the majority of the lace.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow.
Oh, I figured out how to activate it with some gel. Look at that. So that's giving 4C for sure. So we're gonna go on that side and do the same thing. Combing it with some gel with my little comb. Activate those edges. I'm curious to know whether or not we could do a middle part. Will it still give 4C?
Let me go. Yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times.
Get this hair together.
You must have known me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny.
Okay, it came with a comb, so let's use the comb.
Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind. Cause I just don't know. In your but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you.
This wig definitely gave me a run for my money in the sense of I didn't know what I was gonna do with it. I didn't know how to style it. I had to figure out what to do to actually define the kinky 4C edges. Before I even got to this point today, we bleached the knots and we let it air dry, comb through the curls. It looked beautiful. So when you saw me put the wig on my head, it was already bleached with the knots because the knots were definitely giving visible. And if you're gonna have the look of like 4C edges and it's your real hair, you want those knots to be gone, because if you're wearing your natural hair, you're not gonna see knots, right? I would recommend bleaching the knots 100% before you even install it. The edges, I found like maybe it seemed like it was coming too far down, so I really didn't want to cut into the lace, and I'm glad that I didn't. If you want fuller density hair, I would recommend checking this wig out and trying it because it really does look realistic and the hair does feel good. It feels really soft for a kinky texture. I did like comb through her and just get her a little bit bigger, so I kind of went like this and tossed her around to really puff her up. But you guys, this wig can get so big. If you want it bigger, it can definitely get bigger. The 180% density is definitely where it's at. With this style, it looks more realistic when it's this big. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this unit, this 4C edges. I think you guys are just as curious as I am about this, the whole 4C kinky edges texture. So we're just gonna keep going with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to check out this wig from MsLynn Hair, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below, so check that out before you go. Gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.